Hi folks.
Hi folks.
Halloween is just around the corner. In an effort to provide some Halloween kind of videos, we're going to do a kind of a cooking video tonight. It's not going to be from scratch as much as it is from kit. In fact, our daughter bought us, knowing how much we love the Addams Family, she bought us this Addams Family cookie kit, a sugar cookie kit, in conjunction with the release of the animated film. It makes 8 cookies. It has you make your own dough with this, and it comes with edible watercolors. I think this is your.
I don't know what that is.
Here's your paintbrushes. I believe this is the icing. I believe this is the actual cookie mix right here. You apply these. These are edible. You apply these to your cookies, and you paint them. And we'll see how this turns out. Okay, Tam, what is the first instruction on the box?
To preheat the oven, which I have to 350, and spray with cooking spray your baking sheet. And then we combine the cookie mix, butter and egg mix until well blended. This is the cookie mix. And butter. Softened butter. And 1 egg. Mix this all together. I should have used a fork or something. Yeah.
We don't do this very often, folks. I'm taking over for a minute some of the mixing duties. This stuff is kind of...
It is. It really is.
But I can smell it already.
I know,
I can
right?
smell the sugar cookie smell coming out of the dough. I love that smell. The next part of this is a little strange. We're supposed to, on a lightly floured surface, roll out the cookie dough and use a butter knife to cut the dough into a giant rectangle, which we then cut into smaller rectangles to make 8 cookies out of. So these are not round cookies, folks. We're supposed to come up with rectangular cookies by shaping the dough into a big rectangular whatever it is when you roll dough out. What do you call that? Rolled out dough in a rectangle. So this will most likely not turn out like the picture on the box.
I can almost guarantee it won't. Spreading out the flour for the dough. I'm just rolling my dough in the flour so it won't stick since it's so sticky. You don't say to do that, but I'm doing that.
It's always good to make up your own directions as you go along. Already this is going off the rails.
I suck at cooking, at baking.
We're not actually got to the cooking part yet. So Tam's about to make the first incision.
Here goes nothing.
Okay, this looks nothing like the directions.
It says use a knife to cut squares.
This looks like you're carving up a continent into different countries. Now it looks like Pac-Man is falling off a cliff. It looks like we almost have a cookie.
Does that look about right?
Sure. So Tammy's about to apply the first cookie to the greased cookie sheet. So after nearly a half an hour of work, we have a single lonely cookie.
Okay, guys, these are ready to go in the oven. Here goes nothing. Set on the rack.
So Tam has removed the cookies from the oven.
Only one.
They're not exactly rectangular,
No.
but they look okay. And I'm going to tell you something, folks. And Tammy, correct me if I'm wrong. These cookies smell delicious. That vanilla sugary scent of sugar cookie is filling the house right now. What are you going to do now, honey?
I'm going to make the icing.
Okay, and how do we go about doing that?
In a small mixer bowl, combine icing mix and water.
And it's,
okay. We got to add powder. This is powdered sugar. And we got to add this.
the magic icing potion.
I have no idea what this is.
So Tammy is adding 2 teaspoons of water to the potion.
And we'll whisk it together. I'm gonna have to add more water.
Sure.
This is just too stale.
That's why they call these directions.
When the cookie's cool, I think we just spread this on. I had to read the directions.
So at this point, it seems like there's nothing left to do but wait for the cookies to cool. And then
Almost.
we can start decorating them. All right, folks, now it's time to decorate these cookies. Well, folks, we never claimed to be artists, but you know, these designs are pretty easy to color.
Yeah.
And I don't think they look that terrible considering. And you know what? I think this was kind of fun. So Tam, these are some pretty good sugar cookies, aren't they?
Yes.
Thank you, Haley, for getting this kit for us. We had a lot of fun. They were as much fun to make as they are to eat. Thank you for joining us, folks, for this Halloween sort of cooking show, kind of an experiment. We appreciate you being here anyway. So until next time, this is Mike and Tam saying, Happy Halloween! What's that you're eating, Tammy? Is that raw cookie dough?
Yes, sir, buddy.
Oh, wow.